no earrings on. Whatever. What's poppin', you guys? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hazel XXI's, and I am back again with another video. Today's video is going to be my soft locks hairstyles. Y'all, look, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I don't do a whole lot with my braids. Like, this is a protective style. These are heavy. My head is too little. I feel like a little bobblehead with my big bun. I'm like this all day. Like, no. Yeah, we're gonna attempt these. I've worn a couple of these, but I haven't like worn these. But I was like, fuck it, why not make a YouTube video about it? So here we are. But before I go ahead and get into this video, y'all don't forget to like, comment, and more than anything, subscribe. Watch me make a fool of myself, look a mess, and you know, go through life. So I'm gonna wait a couple seconds and I'm gonna let y'all do that. You did it? Great. All right, let's go ahead and get started into the video. This is giving me very much black girl pop up. This is not even a style, but shoot, this could be one. What is it? I think it's TLC. Very much TLC, baby. I think this is so cute. Even though this bun lopsided, but it's alright. It's alright. It's still too. to see some ghetto? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Y'all, it was pulling in the bag and I was like, I can't take this no more. So I took it out Friday. And I was on the way home from work in the car. So ghetto. So ghetto. So now I can't even, I mean, I can't wear this style because, girl, I don't care. Like, who can be like, your hair's not done in the bag? Bitch, mind your business. Mind your business.
Hey, boss. Hey, boss. Did you sample that? Sample that? Sample that?
Like, you know, the bobblehead that that's on Are We There Yet? And he's just like this the whole time talking shit. That's me. Alright, y'all, that's the video. Y'all saw me struggle a little bit. Y'all saw me get my shit together. I love this style. This is literally my favorite. This is my first time wearing this style. And it is just the damn cutest thing ever. I feel like a fucking Powerpuff Girl. Why? I don't know, but I just do. But yeah, y'all, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I want you guys to have a great morning, afternoon, or night wherever you are. Be kind, be safe, wear your mask, and more than anything, please make good decisions. I love you. Bye.